Hello, good morning, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3! Wow. So hello friends, I'm here and I'm alive. What else do you want from me? We have a very busy day today, friends. Also, there are construction workers right outside my window looking at me doing this, so I have to become a human being because today I've got to go to work for like 4 hours. So it's not by any means a long day, but then we need to rush over to my eyebrow appointment. And because I don't have a car, we're gonna have to either run, scooter, or bus there.
Has it been? Feels like forever, noticing everything, like the hair on the wall.
Friends, she has had a full transformation. Okay, here, hold on. Just in case you've never experienced this. This is how I put you. I take the towel that I don't use to dry my face with, I place it here, and I place you right on top, and it is precarious. Friends, here's where we are at. First of all, if you're new here, like, subscribe. I got my eyebrows done. So I got them, ooh, explicit. In the spirit of me becoming my hottest self, so that when I turn 30 in a few days, I can be like, I don't care, because she looks great. Also, she's a good time, so even if I didn't look great, whatever. I got my lashes done yesterday. I think that they've settled. I think they look good. I do think I like the other place better, but these are still nice. Then, today, I got my eyebrows done. I didn't know that they could do this, friends. Okay, this to me feels very much like an Instagram brow. That's how I would describe this. That's what I would call this. And I understand that that is not for everybody, but I got them laminated in case you're trying to get similar things done. And what I did, because Miranda, she gets her brows laminated and they always look so good. And I was like, what are you doing? And where are you going? And what is happening? And of course, her brow girl here wasn't taking new clients, despite me up in her DMs. So I couldn't go to her, but I found this other place and I booked with this girl because she had very cute pictures online. She looked like a good time and I really liked her and I hope we will hang out. We became friends. Anyway, yeah, she did my eyebrows and I told her, like, hey, I just got my hair done. It's a much darker color, so I would like it tinted, but also, like, I think because I have so much hair now, if you didn't like know what I looked like and like didn't already have it in your head, I think I could kind of pull off a bigger brow. But I also was like, I don't know if that's factually correct because at my core, I feel like I have a weird face in the sense of like small canvas. Like I have a tiny head. And then you have teeny tiny little eyeballs, which there's nothing wrong with any of these things. But it's just like, I feel like if you took a piece of clay and you were like, yeah, this is a person, and then you just like shoved some more pieces onto it, that's my face. So I was like, I don't know. I just don't know if there's like enough room for me to have big brows because I have very thin, I think I have nice brows, but like they're just very thin naturally. And the girl that I was getting them done by, she was very cute. She's very cute. I like to vibe. So I just said, do what you want. Because with lamination, they basically just like perm and glue them so that it's not like they will always look like this, but if I just bloop bloop bloop, I have my little spoolie, this, if when I wake up in the morning, I just put them in the position that I want, done. So she was like, you could do like more abrasive, I don't know what the word is. You could do more like straight up at the front and then like a little more natural, floop them out. She's like, you could do fully natural, and I was like, just look at my face, because I told her I thought my face was weird, and she was like, pull your mask down. So she was like, no, I think you could pull it up. I was like, okay, I need you to see the whole experience. She did, and then she did this, and I'm like, I don't know, I'm kind of pleased with them. Maybe I'm nuts, and you can be like, not for me. And I respect that and I understand that. I think everything's a very personal preference here, but I just didn't know that they could do this. I didn't know this was a possibility. Yes, I was just like very much in a rush the whole day, so I wasn't really able to properly vlog anything, so we're here. But don't worry, because the day is not even remotely over. I have today an audition. It is for another play, but this one, basically, I think why also I'm like, it's just like, the play is at a much higher like level than the last one that I did. And not to say that like, oh, it's above me or I'm beneath anything or I'm above anything or anything like that, but it's just like, I'd feel great if I get this role. I'd feel great if I get any role. But even if I don't get anything, to me, I don't know, it's just like I started a lot of this in the middle of a pandemic, and so things have been just in general very limited. But secondly, they're never in person. Like a lot of the callbacks, or like I've been sending in self-tapes and then I'm getting a callback, but it's like over Zoom. Like there's been very few things that I've been doing in person, so this is cool. Even if I don't actually get anything, I'm still getting something, because like, I don't know, it's just good practice to me is how I kind of feel. It's like, it's good practice to go in here, you're meeting different people, it's a new experience, and it's getting more comfortable with things. And I feel like I'm pretty comfortable walking in and being like, hi, my name is Lauren and I'm going to be reading for this. But still good practice, even though that was, my god. Okay, we gotta change my shirt because this is A, inappropriate, but B, a titty will pop out during this audition, and sometimes that works for you, and sometimes it works against you. All right, friends, we've gone with mass amounts of hair, mass amounts of fake hair, white tank top, little necklace. Oh, I need my ring before we leave. Leggings and socks and Air Force Ones, which I don't think is how the song goes. I have no way to get to this audition, so fortunately, I have some good friends, one of whom is Kim, who I think you've met a couple times, but she is driving out from like probably 30 minutes to just get me, to then drive 20 minutes to drive me back home, and then drive back to her home. So I'm just saying, if I ever win an award, when I get famous, she gets MVP. Madame, here's your tea.
Thank you so much.
Yours, I don't know if you're just like an amazing adult or a straight up monster who gets an uncaffeinated, unsweetened tea.
I mean, what do you mean?
Yeah, you're just a better person than me, that's what it is.
Caffeine? Not me after 12 noon.
I not only am drinking Hush this inappropriate, demonetizing music.
This isn't the vibe.
No, oh, that's the other thing. I don't know if I said those out loud. I have to cry.
It smells delicious.
It's a good tea.
I believe you. I saw that little hot water thing you had.
It was pricey. You're right.
All right, let's set the vibes right.
Oh yeah, first of all, on the way to this, we gotta listen to only the saddest of music.
Yes, so what do we got?
I Am a God off of Yeezus.
I mean, this is just this is like my Christmas mix.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's a casual New Year's. Also, I feel like I need a mint because I'm afraid.
Also, it's all of a sudden 4,000 degrees in here. Is this too much or not enough?
I came in a
You're
fur.
the star. You're the star.
Do you want an Altoid? That's not a hint, it's just me needing one.
I guess.
But if you want.
Although now it's just compromising everything.
Okay, I appreciate you doing this and also being here on time so that we can go forth and hopefully get us a job. But I have to be so sad when I get there so that I can force myself to cry. So we gotta listen to sad music. We gotta talk about every piece of the world failing us, every bit of trauma, our depressive futures. Yeah. Oh, did you see my hair and my eyebrows?
Yes. So I saw your eyebrows when while I was looking at Instagram.
Because who didn't? They're so big.
They actually look better in person than on your video.
You looked
well,
like
for a second I was like, oh, why do they not seem like as full as I was imagining? They look so good.
Oh, thank you. You can say they don't if you don't.
No, they really do.
Thank you. Just before an audition, just crush my dream.
I'm like, oh. I mean, not like they didn't look good on, not like they didn't look good.
But just better.
Yeah, they look like more full in person. Incredible. Incredible. Man, is this just all of your hair dreams right now?
It is. That's what I said, is that my whole life I've had to put all my hair forward.
Yeah.
So that it looks like I have hair.
Well, that's like me now with no hair in the back.
Exactly. And now we're 360.
Nope, I got enough. I got enough to go around, baby.
We got hair for me, you, and everybody watching. It just cost a low price of too much money. Okay. Did I give you the address? Let's.
Yes.
We gotta go cry for a little bit, so we'll see you later. Oh.
I watched some video and they were like, unrelated.
You're gonna get murdered.
Don't. Like if you sit in your car, lock the doors.
Oh, I do too.
And then I'm like, I'm in like a hotel. Anyway, who cares? Tell me everything.
It's always so anticlimactic because you literally, this is what you go in there, you say, hi, my name is this, I'm doing this, and then you do it, and they say, okay, and then you leave. They give nothing. They did say that I did a good job.
Okay.
And they were like, oh, we see that you've done some immersive theater stuff before. We've also, because I do that, but they were also like, oh, and they said something about YouTube, and I was like, yeah, and I made it a point to be like, so I'm down for whatever role. We have light dance experience, and they said, thank you, and I said, cool.
Yay!
They at least laughed at my joke, so. And then I laughed, but you know what was wild? I was in there, and I actually very much liked this girl, whereas there's some other people that I would have been like, great, you. Actually, it's literally just one person. There was another girl in there that I knew from the last play that I did.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and but I really like her, so hopefully her and I get it, and that's it. I want her and I to get it, nobody else. There were so many. Okay, I walked in there. There was like 4 different women with the exact same hair color as me. And I was like, we are typecast right now. Oh well, I think we did it. Are you hungry?
Yeah, let's do it.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know.
I offered her Shake Shack and she was like, I'm trying to
trying
to decompress after this weekend.
Yeah, my body is like, we've digested all the gravy.
It's just, you're just so good. Like, she drinks tea, decaffeinated and straight, and then also on top of it is like, hey, it was Thanksgiving. Maybe I should have like a healthy relationship with food. And I'm like, so do you want to get that mushroom burger from Shake Shack?
It is true.
Okay, you pick a place, I'll buy. Because you drove and then you sat here while I had to wait. Because I was like, it was 10 minutes of me being in there, but I forgot to tell you like, oh, but I'm getting there 15 minutes early.
Well, I did know that.
Okay,
yeah,
good.
I did know that.
I'm glad you're smarter than me.
Yeah.
We decided on Mexican food. I'm so excited. How's your regular margarita?
Great.
She hasn't even tried it yet.
I was gonna cheers to a successful audition.
Oh, thank you. I forgot I did that 5 minutes ago. She got strawberry. No reason at all. Guys, we're just realizing stuff. I love a quesadilla that's covered in vegetables. Incredible. Well, hello friends. We meet again in the bathroom where I feel like 90% of Vlogmas is taking place. I don't know, dudes, we're here and we're alive. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to sleep early because tomorrow I have another very packed day and I am tired. And like, I don't know, this week I knew it was gonna be a lot, especially not having a car. It's just like, it's not a huge deal, but it's just, I didn't anticipate not having a car this week. Literally after tomorrow, it won't matter. I can walk everywhere that I need to go. But it was just like, oh, this happened much sooner than I thought, but perfectly fine. I fortunately have very good friends. We're making it, we're alive. It's a weird time for everybody. I feel like the holidays are always kind of hard because you're like, I'm trying to do so many things and they're fun things or they're good things, you know. But I'm also exhausted because I still have to like pay my bills and live my life and like be a responsible adult. So just take it easy, friends. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm gonna wash my face. I can't get my eyebrows wet, so I'm going to like, okay, I can't get my eyebrows wet, but we're doing this class tomorrow, so I can't sweat. So I'm literally just gonna go. I'm gonna baby exercise. I'm gonna full on just like Midwest mom walking in a mall exercise. Like usually at Orange Theory, I'm like, wah, wah, wah. Tomorrow I'm just gonna be there like. So yeah, go give yourself a break. Maybe do something relaxing, take a bubble bath or something, or if you don't have a bath, maybe just like breathe in some steam, because I can't do that with these eyebrows. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Happy Vlogmas.
How long has it been? Feels like forever.